Hey guys, how is everybody doing? This is Kathy and you are watching Cozy Cottage Life. I'm still trying to get used to my new name. Now today is January 17th and this marks my 3-year anniversary on YouTube. So it's been slow grow my channel over these last 3 years, but that last video I did, you guys, y'all are awesome. You've been watching it and you've been subscribing, and I appreciate that so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And welcome if you are a first-time friend. So today's video is a little bit of this and a little bit of that. I was hopeful to find a great place to go thrifting in Dallas, but it didn't happen. So I'm going to show you what happened when Steve and I took a little drive to Dallas. I also am going to show you my front porch for winter. Very simple, not elaborate. And I've got a recipe that I made the other night, and I make this, probably every couple of weeks this time of year. So I hope you'll enjoy that. And I think that's about it. I hope that you are warm and cozy wherever you are. So get yourself something nice to drink, sit back, relax, enjoy the video. And if you don't mind, please like, comment, and subscribe. I thank y'all so much for watching my channel. It really means a lot to me. This is my little hobby. So here we go. Let's go do some stuff. We have ventured out to Dallas, Texas to check out Thrift World of Dallas. It's supposed to be amazing, so let's go find out. We are here at Thrift World of Dallas, and I have high hopes, but the car right in front of us, it looks like that's bullet holes. Anyway, we went in. Everything is displayed on top of the racks that contain clothing. So as a short person, it was very hard for me to see anything. I took pictures of anything that I thought might be a possibility, but I didn't see any fantastic prices, and most of it was just junk I wouldn't even spend money on. That's $59.85 for a partial set of dishes at a thrift store. Well, that was a bust. Let me tell you, that was a bust. And we drove quite a ways to get here, so hello. Those of you that are saying this is a great place, nah, not so much. So here is a look at my simplified, not too much decorating of the front porch. And I did stop by Hobby Lobby when they were having 75% off of their Christmassy stuff, and I got 2 of these garlands. It's like they have beads in between each of the little white pom-poms. And I thought, well, that looks kind of wintry. And then this is just my regular everyday go-to stuff. And then I got that cute little penguin for $12.50 at Kroger. It was on sale. And I thought, well, he is really super cute. Again, these snowflakes were 75% off at Hobby Lobby. So, at Christmas, I was kind of done with too much. And so this is just my little simple winter porch. I kept the same wreath. I just took the little red berries out. And there's my Shake Your Flakes garden sign. So let me know what you think. And do you decorate for winter on your porch? I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna do Valentine's on the porch or just leave this until it's time for spring. Oh, yeah, and I did put some little snowflakes in the little side window. So that's all we got going on our front porch. So here's a cozy winter recipe that you're going to want to make. Ingredients you're going to need are chicken. I'm going to add a packet of taco seasoning, and I like to put the tortilla chips on top. I've got 2 containers of chicken stock, an onion, a can of green chilies, a can of Rotel, and 3 cans of cannellini beans. First, we are going to chop up our onion and then cook it in a little olive oil to get started. Now, I just bought these new knives and I've got to be careful with them. So if you see me gingerly cutting this onion, you will know that I have cut myself with these every single time I've used them. So I'm trying to be careful. Okay, so let's put a little olive oil in this pan. And this is my new pan. I'm so excited. It is so big. It is Martha Stewart pan. It has a lid. I guess it's what would you call it? A stock pan, or I'm not sure, but it's one of those really big ones. And I got it on Amazon. It was on sale, and I am going to love this pan for cooking soups and chilies and beans and things like that. So we've got this onion going. Now we're going to add the green chilies, and I get the mild green chilies because I like a little spice, but not too much. And then this is a can of just regular original Rotel. If you don't like it too spicy, you can get the mild. And we're just going to give that a quick mix. And then we'll be ready to add our next ingredient. This is 3 cans of rinsed cannellini beans. And I'll tell you, I think I could have gotten 4 cans, and it would have been a little bit better. Then I'm going to add my 2 containers of chicken stock, and these were like the pretty big containers. I don't know how much is in them. Don't ask me. So there's one, and here's the other one. And I've never used vegetable broth in this. I'm not sure how that would be. I really think the chicken broth for this recipe is your best bet. Next, I'm going to add 1 packet of mild taco seasoning. And of course, you can get as spicy as you want to on this. I also did add salt, pepper, a little cumin, and I think that was it. So we're giving that a mix. Now I'm adding my pre-cooked shredded chicken, which I did also chop up. And I have to say, I think that it is better when I just make my own chicken and add it. It wasn't bad, but it's something about the consistency of this. It's sort of dry. And this was my first time using this in this recipe. So I'm going to go back and just cook my chicken and shred it myself and add it. I think it just tastes a little bit better that way. So I've got some salsa here, and I always add a little extra salsa to this recipe. I also add it when I make tacos to my taco meat. It just gives it some nice flavoring. Of course, we've also got, some tomatoes already in here with the Rotel, but this just adds a little bit more zip to it. And I'm going to do a little salsa verde, which I also like to add to this recipe, as well as when I make tacos to my taco meat. And a little bit of this on top at the end is also pretty yummy. All right, you guys. This is our finished product. And I have to say, my only changes would be to do my own chicken, fresh chicken, and maybe some more beans to it. We did add sour cream to the top as well. So there you go. Easy peasy, yummy dinner. Thanks so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys very soon. And I'm sending you hugs. Bye-bye.